Excitement from the high seas to the highest offices in the land, as Ocean Power Technologies announced the opening of a new office at the Association for Uncrewed Vehicle Systems International, AUVSI, headquarters in Washington, D.C. By collocating with AUVSI, OPT gains increased access to thought leadership, collaborative opportunities, and real-time engagement with decision-makers, shaping the future of uncrewed systems in both defense and commercial sectors. The new office strengthens OPT's relationship with AUVSI, the world's largest nonprofit organization dedicated to the advancement of uncrewed systems and robotics. This proximity enhances collaboration on industry-wide initiatives, including the AUVSI Trusted Operator Program, which sets standards for safety, training, and operational excellence across air, ground, and maritime domains. According to Jason Weed, SVP of Commercial Sales at Ocean Power Technologies, establishing a presence in Washington, D.C., allows the company to deepen its engagement with key stakeholders in government, industry, and policy. This move supports OPT's broader growth strategy, which includes expanding its fleet of WAM-V unmanned surface vehicles, advancing its AI-capable MEROS Maritime Domain Awareness System, and delivering persistent offshore infrastructure via its power buoy platforms. As for companies partially profiting from power from the sun, Comstock's focus on solar panel recycling led to recorded billings of $2.31 million, becoming the first company in North America to earn the stringent R2v3 and RIOS certifications for zero-waste solar panel recycling. It also raised $30 million in gross proceeds to fund the commercialization of its solar panel recycling facilities and eliminate debt obligations. The company also eliminated all liabilities associated with previous acquisitions. Another green stock to follow is Aduro Clean Technologies, which provided an update on the hydrochemolytic technology next-generation process, NGP pilot plant, a key step in the company's Scale-UP pathway. The NGP pilot plant is designed to validate hydrochemolytic technology in continuous operation, establish operating parameters across target feedstocks, and produce product samples and quality data for customer evaluation. Work on the NGP pilot plant is advancing on schedule, with major work streams progressing in parallel. Equipment supplied by original equipment manufacturers, process skid fabrication, and automation and controls integration are being readied for delivery to site for installation, system integration, and the start of the commissioning program in September 2025. The NGP pilot plant comprises three main systems: an extruder that prepares and delivers feedstock, a reactor system that converts plastics, and a product recovery system that purifies and cools the liquid product. The commissioning process is planned to occur in stages, with two systems scheduled to commence commissioning in September 2025, followed by the third system expected to commence commissioning in October 2025. Aduro has planned a disciplined process in collaboration with equipment and system vendors to ensure appropriate vendor support. Site preparations at the London laboratory facilities to host the NGP pilot plant have been completed, and work included modifications to HVAC and electrical infrastructure to meet applicable process and safety standards and regulatory requirements. Aduro's partners, including Zeton and Siemens, are also making progress on their respective components of the NGP pilot plant. Zeton has received all major long-lead components for the reactor and cooling and separation systems, and assembly of the modular process skids is well underway at its fabrication facility. Siemens has shipped critical long-lead automation and electrical components, and integration work on control hardware, software, and the data environment is on schedule with the project plan. Aduro's CEO, Ofer Vikis, said that progress on the NGP pilot plant remains on schedule and reflects outstanding coordination and execution across engineering, fabrication, and site readiness. The company plans to continue construction and integration work in the weeks ahead to remain aligned with its target of initiating the commissioning program in the third quarter of 2025. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.